Heat, an unpredictable factor. One that impacts how products and innovations are designed and manufactured. Heat makes or breaks the user's experience, since it can deform components, rendering them useless or unattractive. But what can beat the heat? Today, designers, startups, and manufacturers are searching for materials to make products more durable, beautiful, useful, and reliable. Materials that allow for intricate details, high precision manufacturing, and cost efficiency. Polycarbonate is such a material. It can be crystal clear or non-transparent with a long-lasting, vibrant color. It's an ideal substitute for glass or metal at a fraction of the weight, and without the risk of breaking, since polycarbonate is one of the toughest materials out there. As a specialty heat-resistant polycarbonate, Apec is perfectly suited for repeated high heat exposure. In secondary processes, such as reflow soldering, it maintains its dimensional stability. Using Apec for your components will ensure outstanding performance in high heat conditions. Looking for a material that can beat the heat? Apec can.